I'm in the job with the dance, still Fisher.